planting dragon fruit. These are some rooted cuttings, but well, basically we took a bit too long to plant them. Nevertheless, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you how we plant a dragon fruit down here in Trinidad. We have our soil mix prepared. When you're planting the dragon fruit, you don't have to go too deep. Just about an inch or two. Once the roots are covered, that's it. You're good to go. For those of you who missed the first one, we're going to do it again. Remember, you're not going to be planting these too deep. That's it. Good to go. Usually you use bits of cloth. You're going to tie them in place. Just tight enough to prevent them from falling over. Not too tight that you cut into the plant. And that's it. This is what your finished product is supposed to look like. Some of these were way overdue for planting, like this one. Unless you're going to get a good head start. So yeah.